We believe this is the first time that a company has printed a whole living engineered construct and implanted into a patient to replace a body part that the patient was either born without or has lost due to trauma or disease.
What's really exciting about the work we're doing is the integration of all of the different technologies that are out there to achieve things that no one's been able to do before.
This could mean for patients is a better solution. Microchip patients have very limited options and for decades have been hoping for a solution that delivers them natural living tissues from their own cells matching their other ear.